The Little Farm of Green Valley questions. 1. Where was the little farm located? Question 2. Who owned the farm? Question 3. Who lived on the farm with Miss Lan? Question 4. What animals lived on the farm? Question 5. What vegetables grew in the garden? Question 6. How old was Maya? Question 7. What did Maya do every morning before going outside? Question 8. How did Lucky greet Maya every morning? Question 9. What did Maya say to the hens? Question 10. How many eggs did Maya collect? Question 11. Where did Maya go after collecting the eggs? Question 12. What English lesson did Maya remember while watching the sheep? The Little Farm of Green Valley answers. Answer 1. It was located in a peaceful place called Green Valley. Answer 2. A kind farmer named Miss Lan owned the farm. Answer 3. Her daughter Maya and her dog Lucky live on the farm with her. Answer 4. There were cows, sheep, pigs, duck, chicken, rooster and Lucky the dog. Answer 5. The garden grew carrots, lettuce, tomatoes and corn. Answer 6. Maya was 10 years old. Answer 7. She woke up early, brushed her hair, put on her boots and runs outside with a happy smile. Answer 8. He followed her, wagged his tail and barked softly. Answer 9. She said, "Good morning, hens. Did you sleep well?" Answer 10. She collected 10 eggs. Answer 11. She went to the sheep field. Answer 12. She remembered that we say one sheep and many sheep because the word sheep does not change in the plural form.